Hey, it's Ben. I have this walker. They sent this to me to review and it's compensated me for this video. We're gonna get it out, put it together, and see what we have. It does come with the instructions. It does have the installation steps that you can follow. Okay, so here's the walker put together. With this push button, you can adjust up to 4 different width sizes. We also have height adjustments on all 4 of the legs, and there are up to 8 different heights. At the bottom, there are feet that are designed to not catch on edges of rugs or other things. And then you have the wheels on the front. Each side has a pull handle, which will allow you to unlock it and swing the outsides in, which will allow you to store it away. And when you open them up, they will click into place and be locked. All right, one great thing about the design of this is there are handles down here on the side which aid in getting in and out of chairs. You can back up to a chair, grab down low, and sit down. Then when you want to stand up, these also aid in using arm strength to get in and out of the chair. So that's a great feature. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.